So if autofill suddenly stopped working in Bitwarden in 2026, yeah, it can be really annoying, especially when you're trying to log in fast and nothing pops up. Let's fix it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First, open your Bitwarden settings and make sure autofill is actually turned on. Sometimes it gets disabled after updates or resets, so yeah, double check this first. Next, make sure your browser is allowing Bitwarden to run properly. If permissions are blocked, autofill just won't trigger at all, even if everything else looks fine. Now, check if your vault is locked. If it's locked in the background, autofill won't work until you unlock it again. Simple, but easy to miss. Here's a big one. Make sure your saved logins match the website URL properly. If the match is off, Bitwarden won't suggest anything, so yeah, edit the entry if needed. If you have other password managers or autofill tools installed, disable them temporarily. They can interfere with Bitwarden and block autofill completely. Now, update Bitwarden to the latest version and log out, then log back in. This refreshes everything and fixes most weird autofill bugs, honestly. Finally, try opening a fresh incognito or private window and test autofill there. If it works, the issue is probably caused by cache or a browser setting. And that's it. One of these fixes almost always gets Bitwarden autofill working again. If not, it's usually a browser level issue, so take a quick recheck of your settings.